What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth Cuisine. So the plant-based Just Egg is a product I've been meaning to try for a while, and they just started selling it at my local Food Lion. And my mom actually messaged me the other day and wanted to know if I knew of a good plant-based egg substitute. So I thought now would be a great time to check it out and tell you what I think. So I've chowed down on some Just Egg, and to summarize my thoughts, I was just really surprised how much it was just like scrambled eggs. It looked like eggs, it cooked like eggs, it had the same kind of texture as eggs, and it tasted a lot like eggs. I think this is a great product just because it is just so much like eggs, but at the same time being so much more sustainable and cruelty-free and a lot healthier than any kind of animal egg you get store. I definitely could see myself getting this again. And that being said, I probably will make a video at some point where I actually make some recipes with this. And that being said, make sure you subscribe. Also, if you enjoyed the video, drop me a like and share it with a friend if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.